up? What's poppin'? How you doing? In today's video, we will be unboxing a shoe.
I do not know which one yet.
You'll probably more than me right now because it's gonna be on the title, but I do not know which one I'm gonna open first, and I do want to make a separate video on each shoes. All I know is that it could be an off-white Jordan 4s or the Panda Twist Jordan 1s. We actually collaborated with Sysneakers.com. Thank you so much for sending me this pair. You guys are so sweet and so nice. And also for you guys, if you guys want to check them out, I will link their information down below. And I believe we do have a discount code of Mikey. That's all you have to do and save some moolah.
That is always a plus.
They actually sent me a replica of whatever shoes we're opening right now. One thing I'm going to let you guys know that I want this video to be a benefit and also a heads up, just in case you guys are planning to buy this kind of shoes. I'm saying that it might be benefit because you might not care if you wear fakes, but also a heads up just in case you guys want the real ones. You kind of know like what's the difference between the real and also the fake ones, so kind of like educational purpose. Anyways, I'm so ready, but before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come on in, it's $3.99. Alright, which one should I open first? I kind of want to open the Off-White Jordan first because I am just so excited to open them and see them in real life.
Do they actually look like the real ones?
I don't know, like I cannot tell the difference. They both the same weight, but we're just gonna go with this one. If you guys want to see me open the other shoes, make sure to subscribe. I'll try my best to upload both of these back to backs. Anyways, let's dig in. As you guys can see, it came in a FedEx package. It actually arrived 2 weeks later since I talked to them. Yes! Oh my gosh! We have a box. Let's get our handy dandy scissors. Oh my gosh, this is it. What is it gonna be? Wait. Yes! I wanted to open this first because I just want to see them. Oh my gosh! You guys can see the box. I got lucky. Like, I wanted to open this first. No way! First thing first, it's well packaged. You guys know I love bubble wrap because, you know, it takes care of the box. So that is nice. So much fun. So much fun. You guys do not know how excited I am. I mean, this is my dream shoes. Like, this is a replica one, but it's in my bucket list. I want it on my collection. I will buy the real one of these. But this will do for now, and now we'll know whenever we buy and look for some, I will know the difference. So, looking at the box, oh my gosh. Yes, you guys can see the off-white signatures with the holes in the box. These holes right here, you guys can see like it's kind of off. It doesn't really match. That is a red flag right there. And this is what the tag looks like. This even looks real because this thing flaps. Anyways, as you guys can see, I got 8.5 in women's, and the actual retail price of this is $200. This is insane. Anyways, I'm gonna put this back and we're gonna start with this plastic right here. There you go. This is what the plastic looks like. It just says Off-White all around it. Look at this silhouette right here. Like the actual shoe itself, like I just love it. It came with 4 laces, you guys. The actual lace right here, there's white, this mint blue, and also the black one. The actual current reseller price of this in my size, it's actually around $1,150. Definitely a dream shoes right here. Like this one is so good, and it's not even the real one. Like what if I have the real ones on my hand right now? I mean, this you can kind of tell it's fake because it's kind of bendable. It's supposed to be that hard material. This tag right here says the same thing, and it looks like the font is the same as the original ones. It's really hard for me to tell like what is the difference, because replicas nowadays, like, they literally mimic it like so good. But definitely this tag right here is a giveaway. Like, this is bendable. The only thing that I'm seeing kind of as well is the back right here. It's a little bit greenish and it's supposed to be like, you know, black. Alrighty, I just saw something. It's very minimal, but as you guys can see, there's some glue stains right there. But you guys, overall, this is so crazy to me. Alrighty, this is what the close-up looks like. The Air logo right here is really nice and crisp. The material of the net is really good as well. And this is what the bottoms looks like. It's really nice. Like, I don't see any big difference compared to the real ones. Anyways, enough of babbling. I'm gonna show you guys some montages right now.
Kel got the sauce.
Tell me what you guys think. Like, isn't that crazy? But we're not gonna finish right there because I also want to show you guys what it looks like on our feet.
Still not understanding its logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, and then somebody so messed up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really, he fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, because I wouldn't really get to collaborate them if you guys doesn't watch my videos. Anyways, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. I love my shoe. Bye.